Ang mapapayo lang natin ay ang pasyente ay dapat kung meron silang nararamdaman, maagang pumunta sa mga primary doctors nila o sa health providers nila para ma-examine sila mabuti. For those who have cancer, it requires a lot of support from their family. The support is important so that the patient will continue to have treatment, despite the stage or regardless of the stage. Because for them to continue, it will require a lot of sacrifice because there are side effects also to treatment.
A high-fiber diet is always essential to the prevention of colon cancer. At kung kayo ay may nararanasan sa mga simptomas na pinag-usapan natin ngayong araw, pinakamainam ay magpakonsulta sa inyong doktor upang malaman nyo kung ito ay colon cancer na. Because an ounce of prevention is always worth more than a pound of cure. See you again next week. This is Generation RX, your health and travel show that keeps you informed. Now signing off.